different. We didn't want a square rectangle. We didn't want something that everybody had. We really wanted something more unique, more custom. And my name's Jamie Tuning, and we are getting a new pool. After numerous Google searches, my husband stumbled upon a website, and we kind of like got sucked in like a vortex of like video after video after video of all these awesome, amazing pools. It was just like the camaraderie on the job sites. Like, it's not a job, it's like a lifestyle. And in the videos, you could see that. You could see that they enjoyed it. You would constantly see videos of them like pondering new ideas and like making little details like to the nth degree, just to finish every little itty bitty component. Seeing that was like really, really refreshing. Anytime you walk out there, everybody smiles and is happy and is having fun. It's not just like somebody here to do a job. It's like, it blows your mind. To watch every single rock be created, it's unreal. It's art. It's not just construction, it's art in its own sense. And Al, we told him a few things, we showed him a few pictures, and he's like, I got this. It was like you could just give it all over. My husband kept having questions, and I'm like, no, he's got it. Like, I don't have any more questions, I don't have any more concerns. He's got it, he's doing it. You see him out there and you can just see the wheels turning because he's pondering, and you know his mind is going like 10 million different directions. And then all of a sudden you see these things happening, you're like, oh my gosh, he just like came up with that. And we just put like full faith in him. When everybody leaves, I mean, yes, we will have a pool to swim in, and that will be exciting. But my little guys here that are home with me most of the day, they are gonna thoroughly miss like the action and excitement. Cement trucks, delivery trucks, excavators, you name it, rocks getting moved, all that fun stuff. They will thoroughly miss it. They don't wanna go down for naps usually because they would rather sit up and watch everything happening here. Completely live entertainment. Yeah, TVs, technology is not even a thing right now in our house. There was definitely some days that I had my phone out, sitting upstairs in my bedroom, overlooking the whole project, watching it live and watching it live at the same time. My chores aren't getting done. I'm not getting dinner prepped while the kids are at school because I spend half my day standing here watching too. It's kind of addicting because it's like you just can't get enough of it. He's like building our dream out there right now.